Esta é a sua hora. Esse é o seu lugar para aprender como ir para onde você quer e fazer o que você deseja. Fique aqui. Nós vamos lhe ajudar.
You guess where you are and what you plan to do to be where you want to be. Only you know what you need and what you plan to do. It doesn't solve the problem only to wish to. It may help you, but you have to be guided and do what you have to. We are here to help you with English and French and to search for a job in the Canadian market for you to go to this beautiful place to live your life and settle with your loved ones. You will see some language skills to increase your communication abilities.
Direct object. He kicked the ball. The normal order of an English sentence is subject verb object, like this. Subject verb object. He kicked the ball. In the above sentence, the action or verb is kicked. The subject, he, performed the action, kicked, and the object, the ball, received the action. Strictly speaking, the ball is the direct object, and the direct object directly receives the verb's action. Let's look at some more examples. Subject verb direct object. The teacher explained the rules. Cats eat fish. John loves Mary. I like chocolate. They have bought a new car. The company is considering my proposal. Notice that in all the above cases the subject is doing the action, and the direct object, do, is receiving or undergoing the action. A direct object can be one word or several words. It can be noun, people eat rice. Noun phrase, they bought a big red car. Pronoun, I love you. Phrase, Tara hates cleaning the house. Clause, I love when he tells jokes. We use direct object with transitive verbs only. We do not use direct objects with all verbs. Only a transitive verb can have a direct object. With a transitive verb, the action transits from the subject through the verb to the direct object. He kicked the ball. The verb kick is a transitive verb because it can have a direct object. But verbs like live, die, cough, and sit do not pass any action to something else. They are intransitive and have no object. Look at these examples. Each transitive verb on the left has a direct object, and each intransitive verb on the right has no object. Transitive verb with direct object, intransitive verb with no object. They put off the wedding. Smoke rises. Most people like ice cream. John was sleeping. He drinks wine. I will go first. The mechanic has fixed our car. He died in 1989. He likes Tara. She lived for 100 years. Do not use direct object with linking verbs. Verbs like be, seem, smell, and taste do not express action. Instead, they are like equals sign equals in mathematics. They are linking verbs. Look at these examples. Mr. Brown is my teacher. Mr. Brown equals my teacher. It seems strange. It equals strange. It became cold. It equals cold. There is no direct object in the above sentences because linking verbs do not perform any action. In the above sentences, my teacher, strange, and cold are subject complements. How to find the direct object? To check whether a direct object, do, exists in a sentence, and to identify it, ask what or whom about the verb. The teacher explained the rules. What did the teacher explain? Do the rules. John loves Mary. Whom does John love? Do Mary. He died in 1989. What did he die? No do. Whom did he die? No do. If direct object is a pronoun, the pronoun must be in the objective case. Remember that pronouns can have a subjective and objective case, like this. Personal pronouns subjective case I, you, he, she, it, we, they, me, you, him, her, it, us, them. When the direct object is a pronoun, the pronoun must be in the objective case. Look at these examples. Fred helped me. Does she like him? I told them.
There are 4 aspects to increasing your fluency: grammar, vocabulary, speaking, and listening. Of course, you will feel different impacts from them depending on the type of person you are. Visit our website to have a more specific approach. You know that later is better than never, so act now and start doing a difference in your life. Imagine your speaking skills opening the track for you to pursue your dreams and build a better lifestyle. To achieve this, we will help you. You are going to have grammar and pronunciation. Now, let's see some grammar.
The interrogative pronoun also has an objective case. Whom? Whom did she tell? She told me. But note that English speakers often say who, even when whom would be grammatically correct. So, for example, you will often hear sentences like, who did she tell? Spoken by native English speakers. But you will never hear sentences like she told I or John helped they spoken by a native speaker. Personal pronouns used as objects must be in the objective case.
Before you see what else we have to show you, hit the like button and subscribe yourself. By doing this, more people will be helped, and you will see more videos on this. Now, let's keep moving.
Phrases and clauses can be direct objects as indicated above. A direct object doesn't have to be a single noun or pronoun. It can also be a complete noun phrase, a phrase or a clause. Look at these examples. We bought a brand new BMW sports car. Everybody loves eating chocolate. Johnny wants to go and play football. Please describe what you saw when you arrived. He thought that the show had started.
Help us and hit the subscribe button. You will receive the recommendation for our new videos. This will help you and will help us a lot. Thank you. Now let's go back to our video.
More example sentences with direct object. The direct object can appear in positive sentences, negative sentences, question sentences, and imperative sentences. Here are some examples showing the direct object in different types of sentences. James Bond changed his clothes and phoned mother. The gardener cut the grass and trimmed the hedge. Hillary wrote 2 emails, but then she deleted them. Do you want tea or coffee? Will you meet John? Why did you break her favorite toy? Can you make some fruitcakes and bring them to the party? When did you discover your talent for playing music? Shoot him. Don't kill him. Sit down and lower your voice. He has not finished his homework. They don't normally drink beer, but they love the wine you served last night. I hate when they play loud music. They don't like being told what to do.
Tell us which one you feel is better for you. Now, let's see some pronunciation. To pronounce beautiful sounds, you have to pay attention to vowels and consonants. You will want to sound the vowels vibrating your mouth and nose and consonants posing a stop. At the end of the words, you want to faint the sounds. Hear and imitate the sounds of these extracts as many times as you feel comfortable.
Song titles with direct object. Many famous song titles include a direct object. Here are a few. Can you find more? I still haven't found what I'm looking for. U2, Light My Fire, The Doors, I Say a Little Prayer, Dionne Warwick, You've Lost That Lovin' Feelin', Cilla Black, Tie a Yellow Ribbon Round the Ole Oak Tree, Tony Orlando, I Will Always Love You, Whitney Houston, You Can't Always Get What You Want, Rolling Stones, Let's Face the Music and Dance, Fred Astaire, The First Time Ever I Saw Your Face, Roberta Flack.
Now that you have all of these, go to practice and create your own conversation. Go in the description to find our link and go deeper into your study to achieve your dreams. Thank you very much for watching this video, and be sure to be in touch with us. Keep up there and write your story. I'll see you at the next one. Take care. Bye for now.